Some fruits provide essential vitamins and minerals that contribute to overall well-being, including energy. These include 1. Bananas, rich in potassium and B vitamins. 2. Avocado, contains healthy fats and vitamin E. 3. Pomegranate. Some studies suggest it may have a positive impact on testosterone. 4. Grapes, contain resveratrol, associated with improved testosterone levels in some studies. 5. Blueberries, packed with antioxidants and vitamins. 6. Strawberries, high in vitamin C, manganese, and antioxidants. 7. Watermelon, contains citrulline, which may have potential benefits. 8. Pineapple, a good source of vitamins and enzymes. 9. Kiwi, rich in vitamin C and other nutrients. 10. Oranges, high in vitamin C and other beneficial compounds. Follow for more.